Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and you're watching Reliable Roots, and today I'm doing a window star tutorial. For those who are new to my channel, I'm a homeschooling mama to 3 girls, and this is a craft that is straight out of Waldorf education. A lot of Waldorf schools do these kinds of window star things, so I got this Christmas craft book a while ago and we've done a few different crafts from them. I really like this book because it gives you step-by-step tutorials on how to do things like this. So today I'm making one of these window stars from this book. I'm going to be using some kite paper. This is a lot better than tissue paper, although tissue paper will work. The kite paper is a little bit sturdier and the colors won't fade while they're in the sun, because that's the whole point of this. You stick it in the window and the sun goes through it and it looks really, really pretty. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it into 4s, and then I'm going to just fold it in half so that I get that nice crease down the middle, and then I'm going to fold the corners in to make an even smaller square. Now of course you don't have to do this. The kite paper comes in squares and you can just do this with the big squares, but then I find that my window stars are just ginormous, and I do not have ginormous windows in my house. I have pretty small windows, and plus the kite paper is not that cheap, so by cutting them into smaller squares it goes a lot further. Plus I really like the look of the smaller stars. They're just really, really cute. So I'm going to do this 16 times because I'm going to be making a 16-point star, and I'm going to show you how to do that. My first grader actually made all by herself an 8-point star, and basically the 16-point star is just 2 of those kinds of stars stacked up on top of each other. But it looks really cool when the sunlight shines through it. If you do it right, you have to make sure to line up the paper. That is the big important thing about doing this. Now I'm going to glue my folds together just so they're a little bit easier to work with. You can see my children are expert gluers at this point. And then I'm going to be helping them make sure to line up those edges with the creases so that we start off with the 8-point star, and I'm just going to put one of those diamond shapes on top of the other one and go all the way around until each one of them is on top of the other and underneath the other, if that makes sense at all. So then to make the 16-point star, I'm going to do the same exact thing, except I'm going to make the points in between the points on the first star that I've already made. And I'm just using a plain old Jane yellow color for this star. My daughter, my first grader, is going to be making her own star, which is an 8-pointer, and then I'm going to show you right now that my preschooler is also making an 8-point star, and we did not make the diamonds for her, so we just made the plain squares in red and green because that's what she wanted to do. And this kind of really turned out looking more like a snowflake than a star, so I really liked that, especially right now it's cold, so I thought that that was quite appropriate for this time of year, even though it's red and green. It's Christmas colors, but it's still very pretty when the sunlight shines through them. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!